What if I told you that you could make $300 this week with zero experience, zero investment, and just a laptop? I tested two beginner-friendly methods that actually pay fast, and by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to start earning today. Let's go. Welcome to Millionaire Lab Club. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down two proven, low-barrier ways to make real cash online. No fluff, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just actionable methods that beginners are using right now to pull in $150 to $300 per week. Stick around because I'm also sharing a free typing hack that doubles your speed and income. Let's dive in. Method number 1, Google Business Profile Optimization. This is a service-based side hustle that pays fast because local businesses desperately need it. Here's how it works. Millions of small businesses have incomplete or unclaimed Google Maps listings. That means when someone searches plumber near me or coffee shop in Atlanta, these businesses don't show up. They're losing customers every single day. Your job? Find them, fix their profile, and charge for it. Step 1. Open Google Maps and search for small businesses in any US city. Look for listings with low reviews, missing websites, blurry photos, or that little "Claim This Business" tag. These are your golden targets. Step 2. Take Google's free 42-minute business profile course. It's completely free, and it teaches you exactly how to optimize listings, add photos, update hours, and boost local rankings. Step 3. Reach out. Call or email the owner. Keep it simple. Hey, I noticed your Google listing isn't fully optimized. I can fix it, add professional photos, update your info, and help you rank higher so more customers find you. I charge $200 for a complete setup. Most owners say yes because it directly brings them more calls and foot traffic. One creator tested this and closed 3 clients in 4 hours, making $700. Even if you only land 1 client per week, that's $800 a month. And once you deliver results, they'll hire you for monthly maintenance. This isn't theory, it's a real, repeatable service that businesses gladly pay for. Method number 2, paid content writing on TextBroker. If you can read and type, you can make money here. TextBroker connects writers with businesses that need blog posts, website content, and SEO articles. Companies are constantly fighting for Google's first page, and they need fresh content every week. That's where you come in. Sign up as an author, browse available orders, pick a topic, write the article, and get paid. Rates start at around $7 per 1,000 words for beginners, but once you hit 4 or 5 stars, you're looking at $30 to $50 per 1,000 words. A standard blog post is 1,500 to 2,000 words. Do 2 or 3 per day, and you're easily clearing $150 to $250 daily. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not a fast writer. Here's the hack that changes everything. Use Google Docs voice typing. Open a new doc, go to Tools, click Voice Typing, and just speak your article out loud. Google transcribes it in real time. You'll easily hit 3,000 to 5,000 words in under 2 hours. Then spend 20 minutes proofreading, fixing grammar with free tools like Grammarly, and submit. You just turned speaking into cash. TextBroker pays weekly with a $10 minimum payout. No waiting months like affiliate programs. No upfront costs. Just write, submit, and get paid. Beginners are using this right now to replace part-time jobs, and top writers treat it as a full-time income. Here's where it gets powerful. You don't have to pick just one. Run both simultaneously. Spend 2 hours a day on TextBroker writing 2 articles. That's $100 to $150. Then spend 1 hour reaching out to 5 local businesses for Google Maps optimization. Close just 1 client per week, and that's another $200. Total? $300 to $350 per week. That's $1,200 to $1,400 per month. And as you build reviews and client relationships, those numbers double. This isn't about working 80-hour weeks. It's about working smart, using free tools, and delivering real value. The difference between people who make money online and people who don't? Action. Not perfection. Not waiting for the right time. Just starting. So here's your exact game plan for today. Pause this video if you need to. Step 1. Create a TextBroker account and complete your writing sample. Step 2. Open Google Docs, turn on voice typing, and practice speaking a 500-word article. Step 3. Go to Google Maps, find 5 unclaimed or poorly optimized business listings, and save their contact info. 4. Take Google's free business profile course. It's 42 minutes. Do it tonight. Step 5. Tomorrow, send 3 emails or make 3 calls offering your optimization service. That's it. 5 steps, 2 hours of setup. By this time next week, you could have your first payout. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Your future self will thank you. Before you go, do 3 quick things. First, subscribe to Millionaire Lab Club. We drop new, tested money-making videos every single week. Second, hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Third, drop a comment telling me which method you're trying first, Google Maps or Text Broker. I read every comment and I love tracking your progress. Now go take action. Make your first $100 this week. Scale it next month. And remember, consistency beats talent every time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go!